Let me ask you something. If I suddenly say, wow, ouch, oh no, did you notice something? Even though these are just one word, they express a complete emotion: happiness, surprise, pain, excitement, or disappointment. And do you know what's the interesting part? These words are called interjections. Interjections are part of speech. They may be small, but they make your English sound natural, expressive, and real. So, if you want your English to sound less like a textbook and more like a real conversation, then this lesson is going to be super useful for you. So, without any further delay, let's get started. What are interjections? Interjections are short words or expressions that show sudden emotions or feelings. They are usually followed by an exclamation mark. To कुछ ऐसा दिखता है. For example, wow, that's amazing. Ouch, that hurt. Oops, I dropped my phone. Don't forget to notice something very important. Interjections are not grammatically connected to the rest of the sentence. They simply express emotions. Think of them as emotional reactions in words. Now, let's have a look at some common interjections you hear in real conversations. First, surprise. When something unexpected happens, then you can use these interjections like, wow, the place is beautiful. Oh, I didn't know that. Really? That's interesting. And second, to show happiness and excitement, or when you are very happy, you can use these interjections. Yay, we won the match. Awesome, that's a great news. Hooray, our team won. Here's next. If you want to express pain, painful emotion, then you can use these interjections. Ouch, that really hurt. Ow, my finger. You often hear these in movies and real life, don't you? Here comes the next: sadness and disappointment. Examples: oh no, I forgot my wallet. Alas, the opportunity is gone. Well, you might not hear alas frequently, but it is more formal and this is often used in writing. Here is the next: for asking silence or attention. Shh, be quiet. Hey, listen to me. These are very common in spoken English. Here is an important tip: interjections are usually followed by an exclamation mark. When emotion is strong, then you will find it there. Example: wow, that's incredible. So the strong emotion, and you can see the exclamation mark there. But sometimes we use a comma when the emotion is softer. So it's not like you will be finding everywhere exclamation mark with the emotion. Somewhere you will be finding a comma. So as I just told you, because of the softer emotion. Example: oh, I see what you mean. Oh, and then comma. Now, let's make this fun. Imagine these situations and choose the correct interjections. Number one, you accidentally drop your phone. Then what will you say? Oops, I dropped my phone. Second, your friend tells you amazing news. Then which interjection will you use here? Wow, what a news! Next, you touch something hot. Then, ouch. Yes. See, interjections make conversations natural and expressive. So, people, now your turn. Write in the comments one sentence using wow, one more sentence using oops, and the last sentence using oh no. Let's see who writes the most creative sentence. So, today we learned interjections express sudden emotions. They are usually short words and they make English sound more natural and real. Just remember, even a single word can express a strong emotion, and that's the power of interjection. Well, if you enjoyed this lesson, then don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and keep practicing English every day. Because the more you practice, the more confident you become. See you in the next lesson. Bye.